Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and today we're going to be making slime. We're not just going to be making slime, we're going to be making pearly slime, which is the best slime ever. This is pearl slime, exclusively coming from Mimi's channel. I'm going to show you all the products that I'm going to be using and I'm going to list them in the description box below. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. So let's get started. The first step is to equally separate the glue. So the second step is to add the pink food colouring to the glue. So you can add 3 drops to. Then what you want to do now is to stir. Comment down below what your favourite colour is. Mine is pink. So what you want to do is you want to equally combine the colouring in the PVA glue. So guys, I put the pink slime at the side for a moment and we're going to scoop up 15 ml of borax powder and put it to 150 ml of water. The water has to be warm so that the borax can dissolve into the water. As pink is my favourite colour, I'm going to be doing the pink slime first. So now I have my pink slime with me. We're going to be adding some of the borax solution into the glue. As we're doing this, make sure you stir. As you can see, it's already clumping up like slime. So now I'm going to mould it because it's already slime basically. So yeah, I'm going to take it out of this container. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, don't you think this slime is so satisfying? This should be an ASMR video. Yeah, it should be, but I guess we're just making slime. So we're going to put this aside and start with the blue one. Now guys, we're on to the blue one. So the first step, same as usual, the blue food colouring into the white glue. So we're going to have 3 drops again. I've got the blue food colouring, or I managed to get the blue food colouring into the bowl. Now we're going to stir. Wow, this is a really nice blue. Now guys, time for the borax. So same as usual. So now both of my slimes are activated and now turned into good slime. So now we're going to be adding the 3D Pearly paint, and I'm going to add the pink one to the pink one and the blue one to the blue one. What we're going to do is we're going to fold the slime over so it gets equally mixed up. Here I'm going to add more because I don't really see the difference, so I'm going to add it just a little bit more. Look at the natural glow it's giving me. Guys, this looks so cool. It looks like a mermaid's tail. There you have it, the best pearly slime ever. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!